how you drink coffee. If you want to drink a latte, that's okay, go drink a latte. But that is not coffee. Don't call it coffee. It's a latte. That's milk with some coffee in it. That is coffee.
Yappy, yappy, yappy. I put whipped cream in my coffee and put maple syrup.
You do not put whipped cream in your
Guess
coffee.
We don't
what?
have
It's
whipped
amazing.
cream.
Has life left you holding gourds? You interrupted. Okay, retake.
No, just keep going.
Has life left you holding gourds? I want to teach you how to have more happiness in your life. And that starts in the form of a proper cup of coffee. Contrary to popular belief, a black coffee, as beautiful and rich as it is wonderfully improved by 18% cream. You simply pour it in. Just imagine your arteries clogging as you pour it. Then you grab.
I put it away.
Then you grab the nectar of heaven. This is what will be served in heaven. No corn syrup, it'll be maple.
The Walmart brand?
This is not an ad for Great Value. But we all know that this maple syrup either came from Northern Ontario or Quebec. Mainly Quebec. That's the one thing we like about those Quebecers, okay? Now we'll put it into the coffee. This adds a bittersweet profile.
There's nothing bitter about syrup.
Okay, there's nothing bitter except your wife talking to you too early in the morning. And then you stir. Counterclockwise, preferably, but for you wackos, you can go clockwise. Okay? But what I'm trying to tell you is, drink coffee the way you want.